Hello guys, and welcome back to a new modding series. And in this series I'll be showing you how to create a Minecraft mod. So before we continue on, if you find this video helpful, remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos, as this also helps me and the channel, and let's break the YouTube algorithm. So to get started, you will need to download Java 17, and you can download this by visiting the website adoptive.net. All the links will be in the description below. So you want to download Java 17. If it's not there, you can just check the release archives and it'll be there. Because Java 18 was released and I don't think they haven't updated it yet. So you're gonna press download now to support Java 17, and then while that's downloading, you want to download the Minecraft Development Kit, where you'll be writing mostly where all your Minecraft code will go, and where basically gets all the dependencies that you need to make the mod. And you'll press download the MDK and 1.19.2. When you're making this, it might be a newer version. If they have released a recommended version, download that, but if they haven't, just use the latest version. So that's downloading close to. And now we need an IDE. So when you visit IntelliJ IDE website, link in the description below, you'll see this. You'll press download. There's two IDEs mainly that people use: Eclipse. I recommend using IntelliJ, and for my own reasons, they I find it better, has more themes, etc. And then you will download the Community Edition, as that's free, and you'll download that. So once that's finished downloading, I'll see you. Okay, so now I'll get everything sorted. So in your downloads folder or wherever, you wanna have the OpenJDK installer, the IntelliJ IDE installer. For Mac is GMG, for Windows I'm not really sure, and for Forge it'll be an MDK.zip. That'll be on all operating systems. So first of all, you wanna start by downloading the Java version 17. You wanna go through the process. You wanna agree state where you want to have installed. Just use the default and install it. But I've already got it installed, so there's no need for me to do that. And then once you've done, you can just move into the bin. And to install IntelliJ, same thing. You want to move the Community Edition to the application, and then double click it, and then everything should be sorted. I also already got IntelliJ, so there's no need for me to do that. And now the Forge MDK, which is where all our code will be coding. So you wanna expand the zip and get rid of the zip folder, because you'll no longer need that. And you wanna start off by going into IntelliJ IDE. So I'll meet you there. Right. So open my IntelliJ after you've done installation. You should get an IntelliJ with these won't be here. This is just your recent projects, and there will be no theme. Will just be like a grayish. And then mine has customizations, since I've been using IntelliJ for a long time now. So you want to press open. You want to go to your desktop, and you want to go to the folder where you have your Forge, and you want to press open with the upgrade, or you open it as a project. And then once you open it as a project, it should start downloading everything. I already downloaded everything. And then once you've downloaded everything, it might take like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll need to double check everything's ready. So I'll be right back. Okay, so my build upgrade was finished indexing and building. So first of all, to create our main class, we create tutorial mod, and we need a mod ID. So we're public static final. Your mod ID can be anything, so it's just a string mod underscore ID equals. I'm just gonna have a tutorial mod. We're gonna create a constructor, in your constructor event bus, which we'll be using to register our events later down the line. So we're gonna do this, and you want to implement this. And then you wanna also that's wrong. FML for job modding. Yep. And you wanna go. I already done this by your build configure. You wanna change everything that had just mod, for example, and here you wanna change to mod ID. After you've done that, you're pretty much done for this tutorial. So That's pretty much it. So have a great day, and I'll be uploading more tutorials on Minecraft modding, and peace.